Alright, welcome back. So I got this smoking deal. It was on Craigslist, and I wanted the ZW transformer, 275 watt model. It also came with 3 New Jersey Transit passenger cars, and it came with these Rail King, those 2, and the Sitco tanker. I got a great deal on it. When I went to go pick it up, things that were not discussed, which was given to me, which is awesome, is a ton of 027 track, which I really don't use, but I do have a trolley I'll use it on. I was also given all this fast track, as you see on that's on my temporary layout around my boxes and stuff. So that was in the deal. I went and picked it up, gave the lady the money. I got home, and what was interesting, in the box was also the New Jersey Transit, the diesel. So that was a nice little find me in there. And then also this Bachmann SD45 locomotive by Williams. That was also in there. So it was an awesome deal. Something I didn't expect. This locomotive, I cannot get the sound to work, so I don't know if the board's fried. The other problem is only the front coupler's good. Back coupler's broke. It's missing a piece, so it just won't lock. So can't pull the passenger cars. You can only take it this way. So I gotta get that fixed. But let's go ahead and get her going. So we can push, or we can pull. I don't have great connections on this track. I really just threw it together. Didn't throw any extra wires down to assist it. There's inconsistent power. But all in all, she runs well. Passenger cars are plastic. Unlike the Williams Bachmann ones I got, they're aluminum, a lot heavier. Well, there you go. Wait for one more pass. I gotta figure out how to get that horn working. Thanks for watching.